Tesla's phone key feature allows you to use your smartphone to unlock, lock, and start your Tesla. Removing old or unauthorized phone keys is crucial for maintaining security and privacy, especially after device upgrades or when devices are sold. This video guides you through revoking access using the Tesla app, ensuring only authorized devices can control your vehicle. Here you can see the Tesla app interface for setting up phone keys. The app provides controls for vehicle functions like locking and starting. The phone key screen shows troubleshooting and access options. As of late 2025, Tesla's phone key system is on version 3.1, enhancing compatibility with a wide range of devices. This system uses Bluetooth Low Energy for secure, proximity-based access. Each phone key is a digital credential linked to your Tesla account and vehicle, allowing actions like unlocking and starting the car without a physical key fob. It's tied to a unique device identifier, ensuring one key per device limits. First, open the Tesla app on an authorized device that's already connected to your vehicle. From the main screen, tap the menu button in the top left corner and navigate to the Settings section. Within Settings, scroll down and tap on Locks. Then select the phone key option to manage connected devices. The phone key screen displays a list of all devices that are currently connected and authorized to access your vehicle. Choose the specific device from the list that you want to remove. Tap on it to open the options, then select Delete or Revoke Access to initiate the removal process. The app may prompt you to confirm the removal directly on your vehicle's touchscreen. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the process. Once completed, the removal revokes Bluetooth Low Energy permissions, ensuring the device can no longer unlock or start your vehicle. Always make sure you're logged into the Tesla app with the primary account credentials. Before removing a phone key, ensure you have an alternative method of accessing your Tesla, such as a key card or another authorized phone. You cannot remove the phone key of the device you're currently using to access the app if it's the only key. Removing a key is logged in Tesla's cloud servers, providing an audit trail for account recovery. Deletions work on iOS 15 Plus and Android 10 Plus. Older OS versions may require app updates. Sometimes, removing a phone key may fail, especially on older firmware versions before 2024. These versions might not support the latest removal protocols. To resolve this, try updating your Tesla's software and the Tesla app to the latest versions. This ensures compatibility with the removal process. If the problem persists after updates, a full vehicle reset might be necessary. This clears all settings, but is less desirable as it requires reconfiguring your vehicle. As a final step, if you can't remove the key through the app, contact Tesla support for personalized assistance. They can help resolve complex issues. Regularly review and remove old or unused phone keys for enhanced security. This means checking your connected devices every few months and deleting any that are no longer needed to prevent unauthorized access. Cybersecurity experts recommend biannual key audits. This involves a thorough check of all your keys twice a year to identify and remove outdated or potentially compromised devices. Be cautious of potential BLE spoofing risks. Bluetooth Low Energy connections can be vulnerable to attacks where malicious actors impersonate trusted devices. Keep your Tesla app updated to benefit from the latest security patches. Regular updates address vulnerabilities and strengthen encryption protocols. Monitor your Tesla account for any unusual activity. Enable notifications for device connections and regularly check for suspicious login attempts. Enable multi-factor authentication for added protection. This adds phone confirmation and biometric verification to your account login process. Remember that deletions are irreversible and secure with no backdoors. Once a key is removed, it cannot be restored without proper authorization, ensuring your vehicle's security. In early 2024, Tesla released a firmware update that inadvertently locked out thousands of users with old phone keys on Android devices. This incident affected over 15,000 owners who had not updated their keys, demonstrating the critical importance of proactive key management. Users had to visit service centers for manual reprogramming, highlighting how firmware changes can disrupt access and why regular key audits are essential. In 2023, a security breach exposed vulnerabilities in Tesla's Bluetooth Low Energy system through relay attacks. Hackers could spoof signals to gain unauthorized access using old, unremoved phone keys. This incident underscored the urgent need to remove old keys promptly to prevent such exploits. Tesla responded with enhanced encryption and authentication protocols in subsequent updates. But the case serves as a reminder of BLE's range limitations and the importance of timely key management. In a popular Reddit thread from 2025, a Tesla owner shared their experience of needing to contact Tesla support to remove an ex-partner's old phone key after a breakup. The thread garnered over 1,200 upvotes and highlighted the challenges of account recovery without proper multi-factor verification. This real-world scenario emphasizes why users should implement strong security measures, such as biometric authentication and regular key audits, to prevent unauthorized access and ensure account control. Looking ahead, Tesla aims for fully decentralized keys by 2027, reducing reliance on cloud servers and mitigating hacking risks. Future updates may include AI-driven anomaly detection to flag unusual access patterns. As of 2025, 70% of Tesla owners use PhoneKey, with an average of 2.3 devices connected per vehicle. By following these steps and best practices, you can ensure your Tesla remains secure and accessible only to authorized devices. Always back up access methods to avoid lockouts.